The power of small steps. Many people believe that learning English is very difficult. They think they need perfect grammar. They think they need a large vocabulary. They think they must speak without making mistakes. That is not true. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Every expert started with simple words. Every confident speaker made many mistakes. The difference is that they never stopped learning. Imagine that you want to climb a very high mountain. If you only look at the top, you may feel afraid. The mountain looks too big. The journey looks too long. You may even decide to quit before you begin. But what happens if you focus on one step at a time? You take one step, then another step, then another. Slowly you move forward. One day you look back. You realize how far you have come. Learning English is exactly the same. You do not need to know everything today. You only need to learn something new every day. Learn one new word. Read one short paragraph. Listen to one short conversation. Speak for 1 minute. Tomorrow, do it again. Next week, do it again. Next month, do it again. Small actions become big results. Do not compare yourself with other people. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today, you are improving. If you understand one more sentence today, you are improving. If you speak with a little more confidence today, you are improving. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake shows you what to learn next. Never feel embarrassed because of your mistakes. Everyone makes them. Children make mistakes when they learn to speak. Students make mistakes when they learn a new subject. Athletes make mistakes when they learn a new skill. Success comes from practice, not from perfection. Read English every day. Watch English videos every day. Listen to English every day. Speak English every day. Even if you only have 10 minutes, use those 10 minutes wisely. 10 minutes today. 10 minutes tomorrow. 10 minutes every day. After 1 year, you will be surprised by your progress. Your future depends on what you do today. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait until you feel ready. Start now. Keep going. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Your English journey starts with one simple sentence. Read it, speak it, repeat it, and never stop learning.